Hi, it's Angeline here. I love how Unity Stamp has so many border background stamps, and this one I'm going to show you how you can make two cards using just one stamp. So this is called Hot Mess, and for coffee and tea lovers this is going to be a perfect stamp for you. So here I'm just using my Copic markers to color it in. Of course, if you want to skip the coloring, you can go straight to the time shown right now on the screen. So there's no crazy coloring here, I'm just doing a simple coloring using my Copic markers. You could use any markers or color pencils that you have, or even watercolors. And because this is a busy background, I'm just keeping it real simple. But of course, if you want to go all the way, real detail and all, why not? Because I feel that these kind of background stamps are perfect for the relaxed kind of therapeutic moment here. You could just put on your favorite show on your TV and just color it and just have a relaxing moment here. So I'm just gonna let the music play while I do some coloring. Now that I'm done coloring, it's time to turn this into two cards, and I'm just putting it on a diagonal angle and just slicing it into half. It may be scary at first, but as you can see, I've easily created two cards just using one stem. So here I'm adding some pattern paper to ground the stamp to my card, and just adhering all the pieces down. I'm keeping it relatively simple because the stamp is so busy. I don't want to choke the whole card out, so that's why I'm leaving some white space on my card. I'm also adding some gold washi tape here just to add some interest to it. for the sentiment, I'm grabbing this set called Sweet Warm Whip from Unity Stamp, and the sentiment here, I'm just placing it on an acrylic block and I'm just inking it up to ink up along the diagonal angle here. So here are my finished cards. I hope you enjoy this technique on how to turn one stamp into 2 cards. Thanks for watching. Bye!